Oh my God. Look at this. I said spicy. And they went spicy. Spicy ham. เพราะว่าเผ็ดเด้อเฮ็ดเผ็ดเบิ่งนี่นะมีแต่46,000บ่แซ่บตัวอาหารนี่เขามากินเลยอาหารคิงนี่โอเค Man let's go เนาะกินน้ำกันเบิ่งเด้อเผ็ดเบิ่ง let's see how spicy it is That's spicy. That's real spicy good. Butt burner. Wow. That with some rice. How? เผ็ดแซ่บยังไงนี่เอารถไปล้างเอาวัดขึ้นไปอาบน้ำแล้วมาซื้อยังกินให้เราซื้อเอาไก่ซื้อแครอทซื้อบรอกโคลีซื้อมันหวานแล้วค่อยก็มากินข้าว5 บาทแล้วเราค่อยกันเอารถไปล้างกว่าปากใส่มาแซ่บมาทุกคนเฮาเด้อโอเคแซ่บหลายมอดกินแซ่บเด้อใครอยากกินแซ่บแล้วมอดก็ติดต่อมาบัดมาเมืองลาวน่ะบ่ต้องย่านง่ายๆ So easy so simple hit me up if you ever want to eat some good sad food Did I just drool? That's nasty. Let's show you how good it is. Wow. Got extra pepper. And this sauce, white pepper, fire. Wow. Oh my God. So I wanted to sit and talk to you guys about like a lot of deportees come, we don't know their crime. I want to help everyone, but I don't want to help a child molester or a rapist or somebody that's like crazy capital murder, right? Like I'm talking like stereotype and just crazy, right? I mean, I don't mind helping them. God always has a plan for everybody. But I do not want to help any child molesters or any rapists, any kind of crime like that. Against women, children, you know, it's crazy. But you know, I grew up really well. I became who I am is because of my choice. My mother was a great mom, provided everything for me. แม่ค่อยหั่นดีสุดค่อยอยากได้อย่างค่อยได้หมดปี1985ค่อยอยากได้คอมพิวเตอร์ Commodore $2,000เราก็ไปซอกหาได้เงิน 2,000 มาซื้อให้ลูกเพราะว่าลูกอยากได้ค่อย16ปีว่าก็ซื้อรถ BMW ให้เอารถ BMW ไปต่ำแล้วก็ซื้อรถ Honda Civic ให้แล้วก็แต่งงามบ่ใช้ Civic ธรรมดาได้ Civic งามเด้ Testarossa kit everything you know what I mean my Civic 16-year-old kid 2 brand new cars or 2 cars that was out of this world the principal thought my mom was a drug dealer not even close she's a hustler that's where I got it from so growing up my mother taught me very well she was a great mother she provided very well she just didn't have a whole lot of time so I just got on the streets and did my own thing wanted to be a bad kid just like any other kid right wanted to be cool whatever well, I mean look at me I was like nah just kidding but wanted to be cool things like that hung out with friends skating and then got into the you know community and hanging out with the local Laos and kind of said hey you know what this is fun so I did it I don't blame nobody but me remember that I did it I made the choice ค่อยเป็นผู้เอาอยากเฮ็ดอันนี้ so ค่อยบ่ได้ตู้ผู้ใดค่อยนี่เด้อเฮ็ดผิดครับกันyou know เอาเฮ็ดผิดแล้วปี2003ตำรวจมาจับเอาขายซ่า nothing right มันเป็น schedule 3แล้วเดี๋ยวนี้อยู่ไม่การเขาเจ้าจับน้ำเจ้าได้ซ่าเขาว่าโอ้ขอสูบน้ำแดงแม่นบ่ hey let me smoke it with you bro Yeah, but for real. So I got sent here because I sold weed. Because I signed in 2006, went to Lancaster. That's where I met Baby Loke, was in Lancaster Immigration Center, and we became instant friends right then and there. Became brothers. Um, you know, but in 1994, 95, I was gangbanging real hard. 93, 91, 92, 80, 89. You know, anyways, 89 to 95, I was real hard, right? That's why I made a choice to nyai by Portland, Oregon. Told my mom, I said, I'm going to end up 6 feet deep or doing life in prison, hurting somebody, killing somebody, and, you know, and their family's going to, you know what I mean? Right now, I would super regret it. Even if I was sitting in prison rotting, I would super regret shooting somebody or killing someone. That's not that's not what I want to do. You know, I love people, man. You know, I don't know how, if you guys know how I got to the States in, 80, 81. My aunt, I love you, I love you, love you, love you, love you. She sponsored us. We ended up in Des Moines, Iowa. You know, it's, and then my mom moved to, Florence, Oregon, then Fresno, California. What up, Fresno? But, and then I decided to move to Portland. And, my friend Ken, Chef Ken, has done it again, did the same thing. And, you know, we all did our crime and we all did our time and we all changed and here we are now in Laos. But I just wanted to tell you guys my story. If you have any questions or anything, feel free just in case I leave something out because I'm just blabbling on, blah, 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 and it's spicy. But it's so sad. At the end of the day, God's got me. I found peace. I found happiness. I have a great wife. I have a great dog, or I have great dogs.
And I have two beautiful,
But
beautiful, beautiful daughters.
that's life, man. Now I'm in Laos and I'm enjoying it and I'm going to spread the love. You know, I've been blessed. You know, พระเจ้าเพิ่นเบิ่งเฮา you know พระเจ้าก็กล้านั่นแหละเนาะเขาค่อยคือแบบนั้นโอเคเขาเว้าแบบนั้นถ้าเพิ่นเบิ่งเฮาเขาก็โชคดีมาได้มาแต่มาเมืองลาวบ่ได้ถูกไปส่งคือแบบประเทศอื่นหาก that's okay ถ้าค่อยถูกไปส่งประเทศอื่นค่อยก็สิ survive คือเก่า cuz I'm a survivor so it doesn't matter but I'm not there anymore in the States. I'm happy. I got tired of paying property tax. Even when I paid off the house, they still gotta pay property tax. If you don't pay it, they repo it. Let that one sink in a little bit. บอกเอาไปจ่าย property tax เอาจ่ายเงินออกเขาไปจ่าย property tax เขาก็ยังมาเอาคือเก่าเอากระติดเขาครับชีวิตค่อยนี่ดีหลายเดี๋ยวนี้ you know สบายพวกเจ้าเห็นโอ้แล้วนี่เบิ่งไปเมืองลาวคืออันนี้คืออันนั้นโอ้มวนเขาไปกินเหล้าไปเดี๋ยวสุดคืนเด้อพวกเขาเห็นพวกไปกินโมเมนต์ทุกมื้อข่อยบ่ได้กินทุกมื้อยามกินก็ยามกินยามบ่กินก็บ่ยามบ่กินแต่เดี๋ยวบัดนี้ข่อยมีหมาข่อย I really have to take care of it you know I got my dog I got Watson I have to be on point I got to cook this guy I got to cook his dinner I got to cook his breakfast I got to wash his feet every day wash his mouth brush his teeth make sure he stays white make sure his front seat is clean because if it ain't fool's gonna yell at me ครับบ่คันตั้งหน้าทั้งหลังทั้งหน้าของเรามันเปื้อนแล้วก็สิหายค่อยคือกันเนาะ anyways มาอยู่ลาวนี่ดีหลายแล้ว you know and so that's my story you know ถูกส่งมาเข้าLancaster ปี2006 2007ออกโอค่อย sign เจีย not knowing that they're going to really deport me because they say oh you're never going to get deported well they lied to all of us every one of us you know the sad part is you got people that come here that aren't fully there or they're very old they just anyways look for everybody that's being affected which I think the whole Lao community is Vietnamese community Cambodian community the Minh community the Hmong community Thai community we're all getting sent back man so just be prepared I love y'all my piece my story I'm not even telling the whole full thing, but because I don't know where to start. You know, I have a good story of how I came from Laos and ended up back in Laos. I can tell you the full story. I remember, but that would take us hours. Y'all don't want to hear me ranting and raving and talking. Y'all want to see me eat, right? Okay. Hey, ขอบใจเด้อคันมีความถามอย่างเรื่องพี่น้องนี่พวกเจ้าโทรมาหาโลดโอเคคอยสิซอยแบบใดได้กันคอยก็ซอยได้ you know I try to do whatever I can the best I can um with what I have. You know, I don't have a whole lot of resources, but I have enough, right? So let's do this, okay? Mark and Sapp. Ken Chef has done it again. Make sure y'all go buy his rubbing, barbecue rub, or best most of all, the Bung Song Lao, and then subscribe and like and let him know how his food looks. If it don't look good, let him know it don't look good. Love you. All right, kid. Take care, brother. Peace. Sadu.